Welcome back. Namaskaram. We want to discuss about how the Vedas are protected, preserved for long time. Especially Vedas have been preserved from corruption, omission or alteration of words or swaras, accent or intonation. Since it was in oral tradition for a very long time, it was achieved in about three ways, I can say. One is by documenting the Vedas. Vedas means Samhita I am talking about, in writing. Number two, you make one kind of index of mantras, how many words, padas, and then the devatas index, and then rishi, and the rishi family, total anuvakas, total adhyayas, total mandala, total kanda, total ashtaka. Like this you can make. This is called Anukramani. So it is an index form. Another method is to split the Samhita into padas and then go on memorizing the padas with its own swaras. Because the swara of the pada will not be same which is appearing in Samhita. This will undergo a change. That we will go and explain maybe further. The swara in the Samhita or the swara of the padas may not be same. See, on a whole in Vedas, the swaras are indicated like this, or there are about 4 swaras generally. One is Anudatta, another is Udatta, another is Swarita, and then Prachaya. In Krishna Yajurveda, you have Dirgha Swarita, which has been indicated by double mark. Otherwise, Swarita is indicated as a single mark. And then Anudatta is indicated as an underline of a letter. Whereas Udatta and then Prachaya is not indicated anywhere. This is the general rule. But more or less we will talk from Rigveda, so that the types of patha or the vikritis, everything can be explained. Third method of preserving the Veda is by memorizing the padas of the mantra in the same order of Samhita, and then you go and do a peculiar combinations with prescribed rules, so that the words are not dropped from the Samhita of that particular shaka, and the accent, intonation of the Samhita is not changed from its original form, original Samhita pata. So this is the objective of the Vikriti pata or any other method of reciting the Samhita pata. So we have now seen about the Anukramani, and we have also seen about the various method of recitation. But we have to go and see the different way of reciting the Samhita in the foregoing passage. There are about 11 methods of the chanting the mantra. There are, we can say, that is the method of chanting the mantra could be of two types. One is Prakriti, natural. Another is Vikriti, artificial. Or you can say it is a kind of derived form. What are the Prakritis? Prakritis normally it is 3. One is the Samhita method, another is the Padapada, Next one is Krama method. These are the three methods of chanting the mantras. And there are about 8 vikritis that we will see later. What is Samhita Pada? Samhita is the conjunction or combination of words, and it is also with accent. Pratishakya and any other sutras or sikshas has made it easy to go further like Krama and other vikritis to attain new heights of Vedic recitations, so that the Samhita is preserved. This is the objective. What is Samhita? Samhita is mantra. Samhita is mantra. Or you can say in the Rig Veda it is a rik. Usually one rik consists of 2 sentences. One sentence may be having 2 or 3 padas, and padas may be having padas, words. This is the arrangement of Rig Veda. Let us take one mantra which is having 2 sentences. The first sentence, assume the first sentence is having 6 words. Second sentence is having 4 words. Samhita form of recitation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next sentence 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is chanted in conjunction with Sandhi. So it is, maybe you can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 like that. But this is the combination of words with respect to Sandhi rules. So this is in number terms. We can take the popular mantra, Gayatri mantra from Rig Veda, because this mantra is known to you. The Samhita form of recitation of Gayatri mantra from Rig Veda is like this. Om Tatsa Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. This is one example. And another popular mantra which is known to you is Gananantva, which is having more padas. First sentence is having about 7 padas, and then second sentence may be having about 10 padas. We will see. Om Ganana Antva Ganapatim Havamahe Kavinka Binamupamasravastamam Jyeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashrinvannotibhissi Dasadanam. So this is the Samhita form. Now when you see the Pada form of this mantra, normally Pada will give more clarity to Samhita Pada, especially on construction of sentences, because the joining of words will make the sentences, and this will also help for vocabulary, ascertaining meaning, etc. That is the purpose of the Pada Pada, and which will give more clarity to the Samhita Pada, because we are now splitting the Samhita into words. Mantra is having 10 words. How to express the mantra into pada form? First sentence is having 6 padas. So it can be expressed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the second sentence 7, 8, 9, 10. So the Gayatri mantra from Rig Veda, how the pada form is recited. Tat Savituhu Varenyam Bhargaha Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyaha Yaha Naha Prachodayat. Now we can also recite the Pada Pada for Gananantva. गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवः तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणः पते आ नः शृण्वन् भूतिभिः सीद सदानम्. See, now you can see some of the variations from Samhita as per the Padapada. Even some of the letter has been changed, or even the swara has been changed. So we have now already seen that the swara in the Vedas are Udatta, Anudatta, Swarita and then Prachaya.